recognizing our obligations under the law. Okay, sir? Sir, ganito.
Let us follow the
Ito na sinasabi ko, sir, na we can do this the hard way. We can do this the easy way. The easy way, sir, is for you to choose 3 people to accompany here to the plane. May bus dyan, and he's going to the plane. Okay, sir. The hard way.
What plane is this, sir?
Ma'am, chartered flight.
Chartered flight
Okay.
from? So we need
Hard
to
way.
know. We need to know where you're bringing our president.
Ma'am, the hard way.
Sir, we need to know. Please give
Ma'am.
us information
Makinig ka muna, ma'am.
where you are bringing.
Wala sa pay grade ko yun, ma'am. Tagalogin na natin.
Sabihin nyo kung saan siya dalahin.
The hard way,
Kung sino po
Tang ina
may
ka.
grade,
The hard
pakisagot
way.
po kami.
the hard way is for me to